Spotify, the leading music streaming platform, is introducing an AI DJ feature that is now available in additional markets. This innovation aims to provide users with a personalized and dynamic music experience. In this article, we will explore the expansion of Spotify's AI DJ feature to new markets and provide a comprehensive guide on how users can effectively utilize this exciting new capability. Spotify's AI DJ feature, a brief overview. Spotify's AI DJ feature is designed to curate playlists in real time, tailoring the music selection to suit a user's mood and preferences. This innovative technology leverages artificial intelligence to analyze listening habits, musical preferences, and contextual cues to create playlists that align with the user's current activity, environment, and emotions. Expansion to new markets. As part of its commitment to enhancing user experience, Spotify has expanded the availability of its AI DJ feature to new markets. This expansion aims to bring the benefits of personalized music curation to a wider global audience, allowing users from various regions to enjoy a customized and engaging listening journey. How to use Spotify's AI DJ feature. 1. Update your app. Ensure that your Spotify app is updated to the latest version to access the AI DJ feature. 2. Navigate to AI DJ. Open the Spotify app and navigate to the AI DJ section. This feature may be located within the Home or Browse tabs, or it might be prominently displayed on the app's main screen. 3. Select your mood or activity. Choose a mood, activity, or genre that reflects your current state or preferences. Options might include relaxing, workout, party, or specific genres like pop or rock. 4. Refine your selection. Some AI DJ features may allow you to further refine your selection by specifying the tempo, energy level, or subgenre of music you prefer. 5. Enjoy personalized playlists. Once you've made your selections, Spotify's AI DJ will create a customized playlist that matches your chosen mood or activity. The playlist will be curated in real time and may adapt based on your feedback. 6. Feedback and adaptation. Spotify's AI DJ feature is designed to learn from your preferences and adapt its selections over time. You can provide feedback by liking or skipping songs, helping the AI better understand your musical tastes. 7. Save and share. If you discover a playlist you love, save it to your library for easy access in the future. You can also share your personalized playlists with friends and followers. 8. Explore new playlists. Don't hesitate to explore different moods, activities, and genres to discover new and exciting playlists that match various facets of your life. Conclusion. Spotify's AI DJ feature expansion to new markets signifies the platform's dedication to delivering a tailored and immersive music experience for users worldwide. By leveraging artificial intelligence, Spotify has enabled users to enjoy dynamic and personalized playlists that align with their moods, activities, and preferences. As you navigate the AI DJ feature, you can unlock the potential of this innovation to transform your music journey into a truly engaging and expressive one.